Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, how you doing? My name is Kamani. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, how your mama, how your cousin them doing? In this video, I'm in a different setting, of course, but I wanted to come to you all to do a unboxing. I received my Fenty skin, my Fenty beauty, you know what I'm saying? I received it yesterday and I wanted to come on and do a unboxing and a first impressions of the Fenty skin little kit. Of course, it came in this little box.
Yo, boy, I'm almost off. Shit, I'm out right now.
And I also did get it like this. I'll also show you guys a close-up. Okay guys, so it did come, like I said, it came in this little box, and of course with my invoice and everything. And I received the Hydra Visor. It's an invisible moisturizer and it has sunscreen in it, so I got this. I also got in the kit the Remove It All cleanser and this fat water, and this is a pore refining toner serum. So I am going to go ahead and switch into my bonnet so that we can go ahead and try this out for the first time, and we can see how it goes and see how it feels on the skin. The 3 different items that they have that come in the set, the moisturizer, which is this one, and then the fat water, which is this one of course, and the Remove It All cleanser. I really like how this set works in combination with each other. I feel as if it is fairly lightweight on the skin. And also, whenever you're, washing your face with the Remove It All cleanser, it does actually feel like it gets everything clean, if that makes sense. And then I like the fact that you have your moisturizer that you have to technically put together. I also love the aesthetic of the purple, the lavender. Definitely a good choice. Now the fat water serum and toner, I've never had a serum and toner that was together, but I feel like the The recipe of the fat water is perfect for your skin, and it does dry very quickly without making your skin feel like sticky. So that is a plus as well. Now another pro about the set is there's only 3 items, which I feel like you need a toner daily and you need a serum daily. So that into one makes it a bigger plus, you know, with it being just one product, but you get both a serum and a toner. Also, the Total Remove It All cleanser, it's lightweight. It has great ingredients in it, and it's not harsh on the skin. It makes your skin feel soft, of course. And then also it is my skin is very sensitive when I use a brush. So with me using the brush, the spin brush on my face with the cleanser, it made a perfect match, and my skin feels like so smooth and shiny and like just, I don't know y'all, can y'all see what it did to my skin? I love it. It made it like a natural glow when the light hits. Do y'all see that? And all up there, you know. But yeah, I would give this a 10 out of 10 for first impressions. The packaging is great. The consistency of each product is great. The moisturizer is not heavy, and you can use it every day. So definitely leave me a comment in the comment box below if you have tried this set before. I'll also leave a link to the set that I purchased. Now when I got this, it was 25% off. So I'm not sure if they're still doing the same deal, but I'll definitely link the set in the description box. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. I do greatly appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Peace.